Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Please kindly share, like and subscribe. So now back to the question. The question is, what is VI? So the question is, what is VI? So now the default editor that comes with the Unix, right, operating system is called VI. That means the default editor that comes with the Unix operating system is called VI. In short, so the full meaning of VI is called Visual Editor. So alternate editors for Unix environment include Pico and Emacs. In the previous video, we have looked at Emacs and the product of GNU. So alternative for Unix environment, we have Pico, Emacs, and we have GNU. So now the Unix VI editor is a full screen editor and has two modes of operation. There are basically two modes of operation. The first one is command mode operation and the second one is insert mode operation. So now in regards to the command mode operation, this cause action to be taken on the file. So now in regards to the insert mode operation, this is the act in which a user enter a text or is inserted into the file. So now VI is a screen oriented text editor originally created for the Unix operating system. So VI is just an editor used for Unix operating system. The portable subset of the behavior of VI and programs based on it, and the X editor language supported within these programs. So we also have an X editor which is also supports VI and other text editor. Is described by and is thus standardized by a single Unix specification and POSIX specification. So what this is just trying to tell you is that the VI editor is being made or being programmed by a single Unix specification and a POSIX specification. So now the original code for VI was written by Bill Joy. So the this VI editor we know was written by Bill Joy, a woman, in 1976 as the visual mode for a line editor called EX that Bill Joy had written with Chuck Haley. So all just trying to tell you that this VI editor I've been calling since was invented by Bill Joy in 1976. So this is just a brief overview of what a VI is. So to take back home is that a VI, you know, is a default editor that comes with Unix operating system, just like we have different operating system, Mac, we have Windows. So like Unix, the default editor or a text editor that comes with it is VI, and VI full meaning is Visual Editor, VISUAL editor. So the first two letters VI was gotten from that's where the name VI editor comes from. Thank you.